The Verde Island Passage, or VIP, is the world's center of marine shorefish biodiversity. Covering 14,000 square kilometers of marine internal waters in the southwestern Luzon Island in the Philippines, the VIP harbors more than 1,700 species of shorefish, 300 species of corals, 3 species of marine turtles, and 5 species of whales and dolphins. The VIP is also home to highly diverse marine plants and invertebrates. Recognizing the need to protect the vast diversity of marine life in the VIP, the government established Executive Order No. 578 in 2006, a national policy on biodiversity prescribing its implementation throughout the country, particularly in the Sulu-Sulawesi marine ecosystem and the Verde Island Passage Marine Corridor. The 5 provinces bordering the VIP, Batangas, Marinduque, Romblon, Oriental Mindoro, and Occidental Mindoro, have also committed in an agreement with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Department of Agriculture, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, the Philippine National Police, and the Philippine Coast Guard for the implementation of sustainable programs and strengthened enforcement of environmental laws in the marine and terrestrial ecosystems. As marine environments are fragile and complex, the VIP is no exception. Climate change and increasing industrialization and human activities, such as shipping and mining activities, disposal of domestic and industrial wastes, and overfishing, endanger the marine life in the passage, most of which are poorly known or have yet to be identified. Loss of species can adversely impact food security, coastal water quality, recovery to disturbances, and even drug discovery. The Batangas State University established the Verde Island Passage Center for Oceanographic Research and Aquatic Life Sciences, or VIP Corals. The center aims to provide research, teaching, and extension services related to the marine resources and environment in the VIP. The Marine Research Center will be constructed in Batangas State University, Lubok campus, and will include a main laboratory building, an outdoor hatchery facility, and a dive locker facility. The 3-story main building will house flexible, wet laboratories in the first floor. On the second floor will be a culture room for rearing marine organisms, an instrumentation room for various laboratory equipment, and hot rooms for drying and sterilization. On the third floor will be the administrative office, library, and faculty and accommodation rooms. A weather station and early tsunami warning device will be installed on the roof deck. The outdoor hatchery will house culture tanks equipped with seawater flow-through and aeration system intended for medium to large-scale research studies, as well as a sedimentation tank facility. The dive locker facility will be used for storing and maintaining diving equipment used for fieldworks. In addition, medium-sized boats will be available for fieldwork and will equip the center for immediate response and assessment during natural and anthropogenic calamities in the VIP. Aside from the VIP Corals Marine Research Station in Lubok, several satellite marine research stations will also be established in other strategic coastal points in Verde Island Passage, including Nasugbu, Mabini, Isla Verde, and Tinglog. The center's mandates are to provide leadership in conducting research on different marine ecosystems in VIP for sustainable national development, to spearhead collaboration among various stakeholders, government institutions, and non-government organizations in the promotion of research-based activities in protecting and preserving the marine environment, to establish marine stations or research centers in different coastal areas in the VIP in coordination with local government units and other concerned agencies, to train local government units in the VIP on marine environment protection, livelihood programs, and policy formulation, to train local folks in the VIP on marine conservation and protection and livelihood opportunities, and to promote awareness on all applicable natural resources conservation laws and statutes. To help in the establishment of marine protected areas to preserve and enrich the marine ecosystem in the VIP. To establish a marine museum, library, and database, which will serve as a repository of data and information on marine ecosystems to educate the people, researchers, and other stakeholders on the vast marine ecosystem and resources within the VIP. And to develop advanced technologies that support efficient and effective taxonomy, mapping, and exploration of marine species. As part of building multidisciplinary research, the Center is also actively fostering collaborations with other units, centers, and colleges in the university, including the Food Innovation Center, the Center for Technopreneurship and Innovation, Analytical Laboratory and Testing Services, College of Agriculture and Forestry, and Development Communication Department. VIP Corals focuses on the marine shore ecosystems, its physical and chemical oceanography, and the species associated with, such as plankton, seaweeds, seagrass, mangrove, coral reef, fish, and other invertebrates. The Center aims to conduct strategic and continuous research activities in the VIP, including monitoring of the different marine ecosystems, as well as basic and applied research on the different marine resources.
Batangas, I think, is very lucky to be blessed with such biodiversity along the Verde Island Passage. The Batangas State U plays a very important role in developing the science, conserve this for the future generation.
I am here at the Batangas State University and I am amazed with the efforts that they are doing in line with the Verde Island Passage biodiversity and everything related to conserve the environment and utilize it sustainably. The National Academy of Science and Technology lauds this initiative and will provide support that the President of Batangas State University is in the right track in making the BSU the proper state university or SUC to lead in an effort to sustainably utilize our marine environment.
As an institution of higher learning, the Batangas State University takes proactive role in conserving the Verde Island Passage by conducting research and advanced studies on marine ecosystems and its resources through our Center for Oceanographic Research and Aquatic Life Sciences, which is envisioned to be the National Center for Marine Biodiversity Research in Verde Island Passage.
A multi-sectoral advisory council was also established, composed of distinguished researchers, scientists, and academicians, as well as representatives from various agencies who shall give general directions, administrative guidance, and technical advice to the Center in its research programs and activities. As endorsed by the Regional Development Council to the development of environment and natural resources, the VIP Corals is envisioned to be the national center for marine biodiversity research in Verde Island Passage.